Honda as a company truly has engineering at its core, and every day our associates work very hard under the philosophy of challenging spirit. As you know, Honda is not limited to just cars, but includes things like motorcycles, generators, robotics, a jet, marine engines, and now this. This is called an ear saver, and thanks to a group of Honda Canada manufacturing associates, our 3D printers will now be making these instead of car parts. Here are some of the associates from HCM to tell us how and why they came up with this.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Amir. I'm from the Product Engineering Department at HCM. How this started was near the beginning of the pandemic, we decided we wanted to help out our frontline healthcare workers. And we wanted to help them out by using in-house resources. We have multiple 3D printers at HCM. We decided to use them to make face masks and as well make ear savers. These ear savers are there to take the load off of the ears of our frontline healthcare workers. They actually attach to the surgical mask, so instead of the surgical mask looping around the ear, they loop around the ear saver, and they reduce soreness and chafing of the ears. We came up with several different designs from online, and we decided to make our own design changes to the ear saver. We made several different prototypes. We gave them to the HCM nurses to try out, and we gave them to the medical staff in Allison as well. Based on their feedback, we made some design changes, and we're now making them mass production. We're actually able to make 400 of these in one day.
That's fantastic. Now, how many of these are you producing, and where are they going to?
We plan on giving these out to local organizations, and as well, we know that Trillium healthcare partners in Mississauga are accepting 3D printed ear savers. We all have a part to play during this pandemic, and this is what HCM decided to do for the community.
Amazing. Now let's take a look at the ear savers in action.
I'm wearing the ear saver at the back, and the purpose of the ear saver is to save from the string that's on your surgical mask pulling on the back of your ears or wearing over time. The purpose of the ear saver is to save so that the strings that are on the side of your surgical mask don't wear on the back of your ears over the course of a shift. It pulls the strings back so they're above your ears and not around your ears.
We'd like to commend the efforts of the staff at Honda Canada Manufacturing, and of course, thank all of the wonderful frontline staff working day and night to help keep us all safe and get us through this.